Okay, look, it's a cool mouse pad, but don't buy this. This is like, it's a nice design, like, unless you're like a die-hard fan of Shroud, but honestly, this mouse pad kind of sucks. I would say like the surface is nice, everything else considered, it's not good. For example, the fringes, the edges of it are like really choppy. They're not nice, smooth edges. Like you could see that it's not the utmost quality. To give perspective, this is a random Amazon company brand and it has stitched edges. Definitely not gonna wear out as easily over time, but I see the Shroud's his mousepad is not it. Like if you use this on a daily for I don't know, about a year, I think it would be destroyed. So I don't think this is it. Especially for the price point. I think I'd pay maybe like half of it for the quality of this mousepad. Unboxing experience, it's pretty nice. Like this tube, it's a nice quality tube. Maybe you're paying a good amount of money for this tube. It's a decent size, but even so, I got my friend a HyperX one, and it's much better than this. I can tell you that much. Anyways, conclusion is, if you're not a die-hard Shroud fan and you feel like you really need this, don't buy it. It's not a good mousepad. Peace.